Yeah! Strap in, here we go! Lights flash, gates drop, feel the track shake, heart racing fast, yeah, we're wide awake. From Orlando thrills to the biggest drops, we chase that rush, never gonna stop. Hands up high, feel the wind blow by, every twist and turn, we're touching the sky. Theme park mat, let's ride, feel the rush, no fear inside. From POVs to reviews ahead, if you love the thrill, this is it. Theme park mat, let's go. Fast lanes, rides, big show, every coaster, every track. You know we're coming back.
What if I told you LEGOLAND Florida just opened the best family roller coaster of 2026 and almost nobody is talking about it? Today, we're blasting off on Galacticoaster, a brand new indoor launch coaster that might completely change the future of LEGOLAND parks. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Theme Park Matt, and today I'm here at LEGOLAND Florida checking out the newest attraction, Galacticoaster, which officially opened on February 27th, 2026. This is Florida's only new roller coaster this year. And honestly, it might be one of the most unique family coasters I've ever experienced. So let's break it down. Choose Zeman ride experience, and of course, is a verse riding. Right off the bat, Legoland absolutely nailed the Zeman here. The entire attraction is space themed, and the moment you walk into the building, you're stepping into this futuristic spaceport vibe. But here's where it gets very cool. Before you even get on the ride, you actually get to design your own spacecraft using the touchscreen. There are over 625 different combinations, which is honestly insane for a family park. You customize your ship, save it to our RFID wristband, and then this is the crazy part. You actually get to see your ship during the ride. The interactivity is just phenomenal. This is next level for a Legoland park, honestly. Alright, let's talk about the ride itself. Galacticoaster is an indoor climate-controlled launch coaster, which is very huge win for Florida heat. The ride reaches speeds up to 40 miles per hour. For Legoland, that's actually pretty intense. You launch right out of the station to this fully enclosed space theme environment. There are screens, lighting effects, and projections that makes it feel like you're flying through space in your custom spaceship. And then you come face to face with the giant big Biff Dipper animatronics, which is honestly one of the coolest surprises on the ride. It adds a personality and gives the attraction the classic Lego charm. The layout itself is about 1,500 feet long, with smooth transitions, some fun turns, and just enough drills to make it exciting, but still totally accessible for families. This is not a kiddie coaster, but it's also not trying to be iron gauzy. It hits perfect for the middle grounds. Here's my honest takes. I truly believe this is the best family coaster of 2026 ever made for this year. Legoland needed something like this. It's more intense than anything else in the park, but it still keeps that family-friendly identity. It's the perfect next step coaster for the kids who are starting to get into bigger rides. But I do have one complaint. The ride is short. It's only about a minute long, and honestly, it leaves you wanting more. Like just one more launch or a longer layout would have taken this ride to the next level. So with all of that being said, I'm giving Galacticoaster a 7.5 out of 10. Great zoom in, awesome interactions, solid ride experience, but just a little too short to be elite. And honestly, I would not be surprised at all if Legoland closed this ride at other parks besides the California one that has it already around the world. It just works so well for the audience, I feel like, honestly. It's like the next up coaster, as I described earlier in this video, for the kids that want something more tense. But I want to hear your thoughts. Would you ride the Galacticoaster, or do you think Legoland should go even bigger with their coasters? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video so far, make sure you smash that like button. It really helps out the channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you'll never miss another Theme Park review, POV, or vlog. I've got a ton of awesome content coming your way, and you don't want to miss it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.